Hello children, hope all of you are doing good. So welcome back to my channel, and today's story is The Curious Kitten's Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious little kitten named Whiskers. Whiskers was always full of energy and loved exploring the world around her. One sunny morning, she woke up with an intense desire to venture beyond the cozy little cottage she called home. "Mother," Whiskers said with excitement, "I want to see what lies beyond our garden. The world seems so big and fascinating." Mrs. Paws, her caring mother, looked at Whiskers with concern. "Oh, my dear Whiskers," she replied, "the world outside is full of unknown dangers. I don't want you to get hurt. Promise me you will be careful." Whiskers nodded, but her curiosity overpowered her sense of caution. She spotted a small hole in the fence and slipped out to explore. The world outside was indeed thrilling. Tall grasses swayed in the gentle breeze, butterflies danced in the air, the birds sang melodious tunes. As Whiskers roamed around, she noticed a group of older cats gathered near the edge of the forest. The older cats were impressed by Whiskers' bravery and invited her to join them on a journey deep into the wood. The forest was vast and unknown, but Whiskers didn't want to seem afraid, so she agreed to go along. They ventured deep into the forest, and Whiskers was mesmerized by the beauty of nature around her. But soon the forest became dense and dark, and Whiskers felt a bit scared. The older cats assured her that they knew the way and would protect her. As they continued, they stumbled upon a mysterious cave. The older cats decided to explore it, and Whiskers felt hesitant, but she didn't want to appear cowardly. Inside the cave, they found shiny gemstones and glittering objects. Whiskers' eyes sparkled with wonder, but she couldn't shake off the feeling that they were doing something wrong. Suddenly, a loud growl echoed through the cave, and out of the shadows appeared a gigantic, fearsome bear. Whiskers mustered all her courage and tried to reason with the bear. She spoke softly, telling the bear that they didn't mean any harm and that they would leave the cave peacefully. The bear appreciated her honesty and forgave her. He escorted her safely out of the forest and back to her home. When Whiskers returned, she found her worried mother, Mrs. Paws, waiting for her. Mrs. Paws was relieved to see her safe and sound. Whiskers realized that her mother's warnings were out of love and concern. From that day on, Whiskers learned the value of listening to her parents, being honest, and understanding the consequences of her actions. She became a wiser and more considerate kitten, and her heart was filled with gratitude for the love of her mother and the lessons she learned along her curious journey. So hope children you all like the story. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful stories. Bye bye, take care.